currently struggling right now with contacting a family member who is abusive, or contacting an ex that isn't good for you, or breaking no contact because you're just it's hard. It's hard to be away from our family. But if you have an urge right now, or you're thinking about contacting them, and if they have made no changes on their behalf, I want you to do something called walk yourself through it. Walking yourself through it is walk yourself through the phone call. Like, you know these people very well, and you know how it's going to go. That you call your mom after going no contact. There might be some like sort of tense pleasantries up front, and maybe followed by some passive aggression. Maybe there's an attack on you about why you went there to go no contact. And maybe you have to get real with them about why, and they become victimized and start crying. And then you get off the phone worse than when you started. Inner children have magical thinking about how things are going to go, and they have built-in forgetters. And walking yourself through it is, you know how it's going to go.